Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be making a classic game day favorite, buffalo wings. These wings are spicy, crispy, and oh so delicious. They're perfect for parties, tailgates, or even just a night in with friends. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Ingredients for this recipe, you'll need 2 pounds of chicken wings, half cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, blue cheese dressing and celery sticks, optional. Segment 2, Preparing the wings first, let's prepare the wings. Rinse the chicken wings and pat them dry with paper towels. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Add the chicken wings to the bowl and toss until they're fully coated in the flour mixture. Segment 3, Cooking the wings next, let's cook the wings. Heat a large pot or deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the chicken wings to the pot or fryer, making sure not to overcrowd them. Fry the wings for 10 to 12 minutes or until they're golden brown and crispy. Segment 4, Making the sauce while the wings are cooking, let's make the sauce. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Once it's melted, add the hot sauce and honey and stir to combine. Keep the sauce warm over low heat until the wings are ready. Segment 5, Tossing the wings in sauce. Once the wings are cooked, use tongs to transfer them to a large mixing bowl. Pour the sauce over the wings and toss until they're fully coated. If you want, you can add more sauce to the wings to make them extra spicy. Conclusion, and there you have it, delicious and spicy buffalo wings that are sure to be a hit at your next party. Serve them up with some blue cheese dressing and celery sticks for the full game day experience. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.